In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to analyze data in ChatGPT 2026 Full Guide. Whether you're new to data or just want a faster way to get insights, this walkthrough will show you how to go from a raw file to clear, shareable results without leaving ChatGPT. First, upload your data source. Open a fresh chat to keep your workspace clean. Inside the message box, look for the small plus icon on the left. Click it, then choose Add Photo and File. Select your dataset like a CSV or Excel file and upload it. If your file has clear headers and consistent formats, you'll usually get better results. Don't worry about perfecting everything up front. ChatGPT can help clean things later. Once the file is in, you can start working with it using plain English. Begin with a simple request like, show me a summary of the key metrics. This gives you a quick overview and helps confirm that the data loaded correctly. From there, get more specific. Ask, what are the top performing categories? Or which segments stand out the most? Clear, targeted prompts lead to sharper analysis. If you know your column names, mention them to be extra precise, but it's not required. After you ask, ChatGPT will process your file and present automated visuals and metrics. You'll see dynamic charts, think bar charts for rankings or line graphs for trends, paired with a written explanation that calls out notable patterns. These summaries help you understand not just what the numbers are, but why they matter. If a chart appears that you want to save, you can download it directly for use in reports, slides, or emails. Keep an eye on the legend and axis labels. They'll tell you exactly how the data is being represented. From there, refine and elevate your results. If labels are messy or inconsistent, ask, clean up these region labels, and the visuals will become easier to read. If you need to adjust the presentation, say add percentages or switch this to a stacked bar chart, the system will restyle the output while preserving accuracy. When you're ready to share, ask, turn this into a presentation or dashboard. You'll get neatly structured sections, clear takeaways, and visuals you can export, helping you move from analysis to stakeholder-ready content fast. And that is all for today. Using ChatGPT for data analysis makes it easy to turn raw numbers into clear professional insights. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one in the